Welcome back everyone. Today we're stepping into pure vintage luxury, the 1970 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, finished in a stunning purple exterior with a matching purple interior. This is classic American elegance at its finest, bold, smooth, and built to stand out. In this video, we'll explore its iconic design, luxurious interior, performance, and what makes this legend so special. Let's get into it. Exterior. The first thing that hits you about the 1970 Cadillac Coupe DeVille is its size and attitude. This is full-size American luxury at its finest. Long hood, wide stance, and that unmistakable Cadillac identity that demands attention from every angle. The purple exterior takes this classic shape and gives it a custom, almost royal personality. Under sunlight, the paint doesn't just look flat. It shifts between deep violet and rich metallic tones, giving the car a luxurious and slightly mysterious aura. At the front, you get Cadillac's signature vertical grille design, bold and chrome-heavy. It stands upright like a symbol of status. The quad headlight setup adds symmetry and confidence, while the chrome bumper stretches across the entire front, reinforcing the car's width and dominance. From the side profile, the Coupe DeVille shows its true elegance. The long, uninterrupted body lines flow smoothly from front to rear. The coupe roofline is formal and slightly sloped, giving it a sporty luxury feel without losing its executive identity. The purple paint enhances every contour, especially under reflective lighting. Chrome trim runs along the body, outlining the windows and accenting the length of the vehicle. The signature Cadillac styling elements, like the hidden door handles and sharp character lines, add depth to the design. At the rear, vertical taillights define the Cadillac identity once again. They are tall, elegant, and instantly recognizable. The rear bumper is massive, heavily chromed, and designed to match the car's wide stance. The trunk lid is long and flat, emphasizing practicality and presence at the same time. Overall, the exterior design is bold, classic, and extremely commanding. In purple, it becomes something truly rare and collectible. Interior. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more unique. The purple interior transforms the cabin into a fully immersive luxury space that feels both vintage and artistic. The seats are wide, deeply cushioned, and designed for maximum comfort. Upholstery in purple creates a bold and unified aesthetic that is very rare even by Cadillac standards. It feels like sitting inside a custom luxury lounge. The dashboard stretches horizontally across the cabin, finished with wood grain accents that contrast beautifully with the purple tones. Everything feels solid, mechanical, and purposefully built for comfort. The steering wheel is large and thin-rimmed, typical of Cadillac's cruising philosophy. Behind it, the analog instrument cluster is simple, elegant, and easy to read, reflecting the era's focus on functionality over complexity. Door panels are thick and heavily padded, continuing the purple theme with chrome inserts and soft-touch materials. Every surface feels intentional, designed to provide a calm and comfortable driving environment. One of the strongest features of the interior is space. The Coupe DeVille offers a surprisingly roomy cabin for a coupe, especially in the rear seats. Passengers enjoy lounge-like comfort, making long journeys extremely relaxed. The purple interior doesn't just stand out, it creates a mood. It feels luxurious, unique, and slightly extravagant in the best possible way. Performance. Under the hood, the 1970 Cadillac Coupe DeVille typically came with a large displacement V8 engine, designed for smooth power delivery rather than aggressive speed. When you start driving, the first thing you notice is how effortless everything feels. Acceleration is smooth and steady, with the automatic transmission shifting in a relaxed and almost invisible manner. This is not a performance car, it's a luxury cruiser built for open roads and long-distance comfort. The engine provides enough power to move the heavy body with confidence, but it never feels rushed or aggressive. The suspension is one of its strongest qualities. It absorbs road imperfections with ease, creating a floating sensation that defines classic Cadillac driving. The car glides rather than reacts. Steering is light and relaxed, perfect for highway cruising. At city speeds, the car feels manageable, but its true personality comes alive on open roads where it can stretch out and cruise smoothly. Inside the cabin, noise levels are impressively controlled for its era. The V8 hum remains distant, allowing passengers to enjoy a quiet and peaceful ride. Fuel consumption is on the higher side, as expected from a large V8 luxury coupe of this generation. But in 1970, efficiency was never the priority, comfort and prestige were. Price and collector value. Today, the 1970 Cadillac Coupe DeVille holds strong appeal in the classic car market. It is one of the most recognizable Cadillac models from the golden era of American automotive design. Pricing depends heavily on condition. Standard examples in average condition can be relatively accessible for classic car enthusiasts. However, fully restored or well-preserved models, especially with unique specifications like a purple exterior and interior, can command significantly higher value. Originality is a major factor in collector interest. Cars that retain factory styling, clean interiors, and solid mechanical condition are especially desirable. Custom or rare color combinations like this purple example can either increase value among niche collectors or appeal strongly to enthusiasts looking for something unique and standout. As time passes, well-maintained Coupe DeVille models continue to gain appreciation because they represent a disappearing era of full-size American luxury. The 1970 Cadillac Coupe DeVille in purple with a matching interior is more than just a classic car, it's a bold expression of luxury, individuality, and timeless American design. From its massive chrome-detailed exterior to its soft, lounge-like interior, everything about this car is built around comfort and presence. The purple theme elevates it into something rare and visually unforgettable. It doesn't try to be modern. It doesn't try to be sporty. Instead, it delivers what Cadillac was best known for: smooth cruising, elegant design, and unmatched road presence. For collectors and enthusiasts, this Coupe DeVille stands as a true icon of its time, and in purple, it becomes something truly special. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more classic car legends every day.